Starting with a rough sketch that Monocle had posted about his hinge on the current Ironman helmet faceplate. I went ahead and modeled a U-shaped hinge similar to what he used, mounted them at angles so that they're pretty straight on. They're not even, they're temporarily attached right now, but it is giving me the right move. Now, of course, I don't have the front attached, but it is giving me the right lift. I'll try to hold this so you can see it. The right lift. Now I'll have to permanently mount those, pick the right angle for them. You can see that you go from attached there to up here. So it's only one set of the hinges, and again, they're not on evenly right now, but you can see once there's another piece that helps define the rotation of the faceplate, the top hinges seem to be doing their job. So that's where we're at right now, and we'll go from there. On the side, you can see that you'll see some of that. And that's where we're at.